Hello everyone. Another day into the lockdown. Each day in the lockdown reveals new facts. Yesterday in Delhi there was an incident that the fast food delivery boy was infected with COVID, and now all those families who had taken deliveries of pizza from him are in quarantine. Now this definitely sets us thinking. Was this an essential? Getting those outside food through these apps is it essential? We are basically calling this pandemic as an emergency. It is being compared to world war. So is this an essential to have that pizza, pasta or whatever being delivered from outside, even the sweets coming in from the sweet shops, is that an essential? It is definitely not. But the sad fact is that we have made it an essential part of life. And so now, cooped up at home, we still cannot give it up. And we are still thinking of getting it from outside, even at the risk of our health. We are not bothered whether the person who's making it, who's delivering it, is infected or not. We are definitely worried of not stepping out ourselves, but we are not bothered about what is coming from outside to us. So this is definitely a point to think upon. We are not even bothered about the plastic boxes in which the hot food is put in and given to us, which definitely is leaching chemicals from the plastics into the food and making us our immunity low. So even that thought is thrown to the wind. But what remains in mind is it is a lockdown and we're not moving out. But the fact is that we need to work on boosting our immunity. That is missing. So now, as I said, that this has become an essential part of life. So why? As I always say, when there's a problem, we need to look at the root cause. So when did this become an essential part of our life? One, definitely, the environment became very obsogenic over time. We have lots of allurements all around us. इतनी चीजें हैं कि we just cannot resist it. Packaged food, foods coming in beautiful packaging, ready food, cooked food, restaurants sprouting, cafes coming up each day in every nook of the city. So definitely all human beings would be tempted. We just cannot resist it. We would love to go and try these cafes out. We would love to eat the food that they're giving and advertising and showing us. But shouldn't be this be an affair which comes in just maybe fortnightly or once in a month? You go, you try out something new, you go out with your family and you have dinner outside. But sadly, it has become a day-to-day activity. Every single day there are boxes being delivered to each house. So where is the problem again? One thing we should remember that the previous generation, the women were all at home. They were taking care of the entire household chores, be it cooking, cleaning, looking after the family, everything. The next generation, we wanted our daughters to be equal to the sons. So we wanted them to get good education. We wanted them to work and walk shoulder to shoulder with the boys of the family. So the girls stepped out of home. They started going out for the graduations, post graduations, higher education, and they also started working, maybe some entrepreneurship, maybe into jobs, but they were all working and equal at par with the boys, which is a wonderful thing. But these girls, then they step into the next phase of life, which is a married phase. So when into married life, the girls who were living out of home, who had never, kind of worked at home in the household activities, when they had never performed any of these, are now burdened with the complete responsibility of an entire home. So along with office, now the entire house activities are there. Initially the enthu is there, but slowly the enthusiasm dampens and the cracks start revealing. Now they have the burden of the office, the house, the kids, the entire family and everything to look up. So yes, a lot of people, we all know that processed food is not good, eating out of boxes is not good, and we keep listening to this. Everybody tells us eat real food. But where is the solution to that? We all listen to that, but at the end of the day, when the lady is completely drained out of energy, all the resolutions go out of the window. Everything about healthy eating goes out and comes in the boxes and the packaged food. You feel you're so tired, let us just order dinner from outside and eat. So this is the problem, and when there is a problem, definitely there should be solutions to it. So what are the solutions that we are looking for? सबसे पहले, when we decided that our girls should be equal to the boys, we failed somewhere to make our boys equal to the girls. We definitely copied the Western culture in getting the fast food into our life, but we forgot that in the Western culture, the boys work equally. They also do all the household chores and cooking and other activities. Everything is done by them on their own once they are a grown up person. But sadly, in the Indian family, the mothers are so protective over their dear sons that they will not let them move a finger. And these sons, when turning into loving hubbies, fail to do their duties. And then the girls have to take all the responsibilities. So what do we need? Simple. And abhi isse acha time kya to reset here. So the males, please wake up and start taking up small duties at home. It is not always about cooking. There are many house activities which you can participate in. Maybe teaching the kids, looking after the kids, maybe getting the ingredients from the market, maybe just chopping the vegetables and getting things ready. Because जब सब कुछ ready है, cooking becomes a very easy thing. So all that you need to do is chip in and do your work equally. That is very important. So when you start practicing that in lockdown, you would definitely be doing it post lockdown also. Apart from this, we should also make the kids do the odd jobs like setting the tables and like plating and maybe kneading the dough as they grow up, or rolling out the dough, chopping vegetables, cleaning, washing, and such little things can be done by the kids. That would keep them active, away from the gadgets, and definitely interested in the household activities. And then definitely we should look for simple eating, simple clean eating, simple meals, light meals, especially for dinner, when the ladies also come back from work and is in no mood to start a huge affair of meal. So we should be cooking simple things. And of course, the elaborate meals to satisfy our palate should come in at the weekends, when we can cook our whatever we love to eat, like the pizzas, pastas, the dosas, whatever we love to eat, whatever cuisine that can come up in the weekends when the whole family can contribute and work. So why spend all the weekends at the malls and movies? Post lockdown, I'm talking about the time when we were moving out and when we're going to move out. Why do we need to spend all the weekends outside? We can at least attribute one weekend to family cooking, one day in the kitchen. So that one day you could be preparing your favorite snacks, your favorite sweets, mouth fresheners, and other such things which can be stored and kept and can be used as mid meals, can be used when you have those hunger cravings. And then definitely you would not be ordering or picking up packets from outside when you have things at home. So the other important thing to do is that you keep things ready at home. A lot of raw ingredients should be at home. So make sure that the vegetables, fruits, little things like coconut, jaggery, honey, then Chyawanprash, Gulkan, the makhanas, the protein bars, the energy bars, these are readily available at home. Made at home, kept at home. You can even buy from some small organizations which promise clean making and clean stuff. So that way you would be helping those small units and getting good stuff for yourself. You can even ask your elderlies to prepare some murabbas, halwas, laddus, pickles, churans, candies for you, which can be again stored for a long period and can definitely take care of your cravings. So when we are doing these kind of things, we are not so looking out for the outside options. So if we are keeping our meals simple and clean, and not bothering with the long things that, okay, now I am into a diet, now I'm going to eat healthy, so every day I need juicing, I need souping, I need these exotic fruits, these exotic vegetables. Instead of that, if we are just into clean eating a single day, we are looking after our health, and we are definitely avoiding the outside food. So this is what I think we should put in a thought upon and start resetting here. Thank you. See you another day. Bye bye.